Unlimited sashimi with only a 3.5 Google star review? That can't be right. We need to check this out.
Hey everyone, on today's episode of Grace and Neal Do a Review, we go into the heart of Richmond, BC to Aberdeen Centre and find a local gem offering all-you-can-eat sushi and sashimi along with other usual offerings called Meiten Japanese Katsu Bar.
With all you can eat, you definitely need some friends and family to join us.
Chug, chug, chug.
Chug.
I got father and son, sister and sister.
And a lonely loser.
So this restaurant had some bad Google reviews, so we're just gonna see if it's actually
Is that we're going the opposite with this one?
Yeah.
So we're gonna see if we've proven them right or wrong about these reviews.
So we're at Meiten Japanese Katsu Restaurant and Bar, Katsu and Bar Restaurant in Richmond.
So instead of a May 10, it was only a May 4?
Yeah. And
Come on, that was a good joke.
it was really, really difficult to find this place. You have to,
Well, we were in the wrong mall. I didn't realize there was two side by side. We just went into a random building apparently and
this
got
is
lost.
literally hidden gem, but it's pretty busy in here. So
It is.
I guess people know. If you're from here, you'll know where it is.
Yeah. This is my son Noah.
We just recruited a younger crowd because we're old and we just need to have a better demographic.
Apparently our demographics is 45 and older, so we're trying to get some younger crowd.
So we're doing the all-you-can-eat menu, and then you just order from the menu.
The salmon sashimi, 5 orders of the hamachi, 5 of the spicy salmon.
What's the add $10 for, what's Ayce?
Ayce.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's an abbreviation. I was like, what's an acai? Oh, it's all you can eat. I've never seen that before.
Our first round of food was assorted tempura with 2 shrimp and some veg. It was your typical tempura. It was light and crispy, not too greasy, and it was freshly made. Too bad Neal's chopstick skills aren't clean and crisp, which led to his stab technique, as you can see here. Neal in his unnatural habitat with no fork.
I got it up.
Stab into.
Good tempura, nice crunch.
Yeah.
Very light.
Delicious.
Look good. I lost it.
Well, because none of us.
I lost
oh
it.
my god. This is gonna go viral for the wrong reasons.
Oh my god, how do you get this thing out?
Why do you have soy sauce in that plate?
Because I thought I was supposed to do that, but it's supposed to be a different plate.
So that's your dipping.
So what's this plate?
That's for your soy sauce.
Oh, okay. Man, you can't take me anywhere.
Eggplant tempura.
Even if the stab technique lets you down, it's time to use the fingers.
That's what she said.
You don't taste the eggplant, it's too much batter around it.
Yeah, it's more just texture.
Good crunch.
Okay, so these are takoyaki balls or octopus balls. Takoyaki. I get extra bonito. Takoyaki balls were really hot, which is a great sign for freshness. Takoyaki is just octopus balls. The batter is traditionally undercooked to give it that goopy texture. It's good. I really enjoy that goopy texture.
Oh, I see a little piece.
Can you see it?
No, I'm just blind.
Oh, I see. Tastes like a takoyaki ball.
What'd you call me? It is goopy in the inside.
And it's really, really, really hot.
Apparently I still don't know what I'm doing, so I switched to a 1 chopstick. I thought it might be easier.
At least you're good at adapting.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it tastes like, I don't know.
I don't know what it tastes like.
It's like MSG.
No, that's not bad.
But it's supposed to be like
Yeah.
Is it like a barbecue sauce something on the outside? What is it?
Like, what's it called? Tonkatsu sauce?
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot. I told you it's hot.
Thank you.
Wow, look at finally the good stuff arrives, and we didn't have to wait long. Hamachi and salmon sashimi, anari stuffed with chopped scallop and seasoned salmon, an awesome display of California and avocado rolls, pressed salmon and pressed hamachi. We also have beef teriyaki, chicken katsu, salmon tataki, and really hot pan-fried gyozas.
Wow, that was a mouthful.
That's what she said.
Yeah. You don't have to wait.
What are they filled with?
Probably pork.
Pork?
Yeah. I'm hardly in this video.
Oh, whoa. Oh, no,
It's hot. The only complaint I had was, well, maybe it's not my only complaint, but there wasn't enough wasabi and it was actually really weak. However, the sashimi was really fresh and not fishy at all. Thank goodness.
That's a hamachi.
Yeah. Like this is, I can eat all of that by myself.
That's a lot.
Easily.
That was a very large slice of fish.
It's not though. Salmon, and I like Atlantic. None of this wild salmon, okay? I need fatty Atlantic salmon.
Is it just me or are my chopstick skills improving as we keep going here?
It's just you. Here I am eating the oishi, pressed sushi. It tasted good, but it was a little overkill on the rice. I'm not a huge fan of pressed sushi, but okay, what are you eating? Beef teriyaki.
I'm trying to eat beef teriyaki.
Do you want a fork?
There we go, I got some. That's an interesting teriyaki sauce.
Why is it interesting?
I don't know. It has an interesting flavor that I've never had in a teriyaki.
Is it too like seaweedy? Is it
something,
too
yeah.
seafood? Let me try it.
Yeah, it has more of a seafood taste to it.
So this is the beef teriyaki, and they say it tastes weird. It tastes like teriyaki.
What does it?
It's the same sauce that was the katsu
the one?
sauce
The
that we
katsu
made.
sauce, yeah.
Chicken katsu.
A little bit of mayo, a little bit of sauce. Did someone order the chopstick finger combo? Katsu was perfectly fried. Chicken was tender and crispy.
How can you screw up chicken though, really?
Chicken.
And did you also notice that all the Asian people, me included, did not partake in the chicken dishes? We need our money's worth in sashimi. Alright, so I have inari, which is stuffed with chopped scallop and tobiko and rice. And inari is a tofu skin, and it's kind of like, it's sweet. So. The inari was really good in flavor, but you can tell, you know, as usual, they're just trying to fill you up with rice. It's good.
It's
Nothing is disgusting so far, so it's good. Salmon oshi, pressed sushi. Everything right now is really good. I don't know what's up with the bad reviews.
said, I don't know about all this raw fish, but these avocado rolls, out of this world. God, I can't get it.
You're not gonna eat your $40 worth by eating avocados and rolls. Okay. Zang.
Dang.
So we ordered chicken karage.
Can I put the lemon on it?
Yeah, sure.
Or is it just garnish?
No, you put lemon.
That's hot. It's like fried chicken.
Now we got their beer.
Thank you. Tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken.
It's good.
So do you guys think that they look alike? Write it down in the comments. Okay.
We noticed we actually had to get the server's attention to order our second round of food. However, it didn't really affect our wait time and the flow of the meal.
Neal doesn't like raw fish, but here he is being a good sport and trying a piece of tuna.
All right, here we go. So good. The texture is fantastic.
Right, normally I would not order this, but for you. Since Neal ate one piece of tuna, I had to eat one piece of chicken. And surprisingly, it was really good. It had a really good crunchy texture, and it definitely needed the lemon wedge.
Good wing?
Good wing.
It tastes exactly the same as the karaage,
Nice.
but finger food style. I like it.
Fresh out of the fryer.
It's good.
Yeah.
It is a fresh wing. You can tell it was just cooked.
Yeah, and the coating's good too.
I was gonna put a little wasabi first. Oh.
Why do you need wasabi? You're stealing the wasabi.
Well, I just want a little bit.
Our second order.
Okay, so this is our second order of sashimi, and it has shrunk about half. You know, food costs. It's understandable. We get it.
Get it.
As a customer, we don't get it, but as chefs, we get it. Second time around, the sashimi tasted just as fresh, and yes, I really do like farmed Atlantic salmon. If Neal wasn't here, all we would be eating is sashimi, so we need the variety from him.
Chicken teriyaki, way better than the beef. A crispy skinned chicken breast, perfectly seasoned, coated with a sweet sauce.
And was the sauce better this time?
Still teriyaki sauce.
It's the exact same sauce.
Maybe it just tastes better on chicken than beef.
Maybe. You're dumb. This one's way better than the beef. Okay, last piece of sashimi. It's kind of warm. I'm kind of concerned. It was only warm because we let it sit. We were yapping too much. So it was not the fault of the restaurant.
You got it.
So we're gonna do round the table to close out the meal.
Yeah.
Give it a solid 7.
Solid 7, wow.
That's good. Good rating, good rating.
I would say $4 is a good price for it. Cons, I would say definitely the service could have been better.
No problem. Okay, pass the mic.
I would say it was 8.4 out of 10. Good sashimi.
Yeah.
Service was okay.
I feel it's standard for Asian restaurants. Yeah.
Okay, Kylie's turn.
I rated it like, I don't know. I don't know numbers.
Oh, you don't have to do numbers. Say
7.5.
Sure.
I don't know. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. And there's not many selections. Oh yeah, it was lacking dessert as.
Oh, dessert.
Yeah.
Not credit to me, but too much rice. Way too much rice. But that's a tactic, I guess.
I agree.
Jack.
I didn't eat today, but I'm pretty sure it looks awesome, and I'll try next time, and I'll try to send you a little video if I try for what I think.
And I would give it also 8. I thought the awesome variety from what I saw you guys order, that everything was good. Everything was made fresh, everything tasted great. Nothing was sat around, and yeah. There you go. For a non-fish lover, there was enough variety still.
I give it an 8 as well, but it was overall really good. Okay, fold.
Fold.
Half.
Half.
I didn't know I was doing origami.
Yeah.
Half.
And then now you fold like this,
Oh, like,
but each side. And
I gotcha.
You just crease.
yeah. And then you do the other side.
And then you just crease.
I've made paper airplanes
Hey, why are
before.
you doing it in the air? Just do it on the table.
Yeah.
I'm showing my excellent skills.
Okay, and then you do the same on the other side.
Oh, Jesus. Do you have to fluff it out?
Then you like pinch the corner and then you like fold the middle. Yeah, there you go. Somewhat.
All right, so now your chopsticks are full of your own bacteria.
Now if I could just, you learn how to use chopsticks, that would be sad.
Oh yeah, you need a fork.